Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so yesterday's problem. So many students told that particular second problem, whatever I have given. So are you able to read the problem on the screen? Are you able to read?
Yes,
Either-
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody read the problem on the screen? Can anybody read?
Draw projection of line RS 70 mm long and making 40 degree with VP, and FV of line makes an angle of 50 degree with HP. Point R is 15 mm both from HP and VP. Find angle made by line with HP.
Hand angle made by with HP. So we have started to solve the problems related to line. So we have discussed how many parameters are there for the line to draw any line.
Seven.
Seven.
Seven parameters.
Parameters. Out of that, if we know how many parameters, then we can complete the
Three
projection.
parameters.
Three.
Three parameters.
Minimum three parameters are
Which are
required.
dependent.
Which should be a dependent, we can say. Out of that, two should be dependent. We can solve easily. Even if there are three parameters and which are independent, then also we can solve the problem, but it is a type, some other type. So that problem we are going to see. So it is called as assumption problem. Okay, that problems are called as assumption problem. So from the problem statement, which parameters are given? Can anybody tell? For line RS, which
True
parameter?
True length,
True length.
alpha, and phi.
So draw the projection of line RS, 70 mm long. So length is given, which will be the true length. Okay, so here 7 parameters I have listed. Okay, so true length, front view length, top view length, theta, phi, alpha, and beta. So out of these, 3 parameters are given, and remaining we can find easily. So true length is given. So I will write whatever parameters are given. So first we have to write. Okay, 70 mm. True length is given. So given is most important. What is given? Okay, so true length is given. Again, what is given?
Alpha.
Alpha.
Making 40-degree angle with VP. So is it alpha or theta?
Phi.
Phi.
With VP, inclination of true length is given. So if inclination of suppose front view length, top view length is given, so clearly word is mentioning. So front view is making this much angle, top view is making this much angle. If these words are not there, it means it is a inclination of true length. So this 40-degree is a true inclination. So it is with whom? VP. So is
VP.
it theta or phi?
Phi.
Phi.
Phi, because we are knowing. So theta is a notation given for. So I will write here 40. So here 40-degree. Phi is given. Again, what is given?
Alpha is
Alpha.
Front view of line makes an angle of, means front view of line makes an angle of 50-degree. So with this it is given alpha. So again here I will write simply 40 degree.
15, sir.
50 degrees, sir.
For 50. Okay, 50. Here I cannot give notice. So just I will write or 50. I will write 50. So these three things are given. So true length is given, true inclination is given, and alpha is given. Okay, so these three things are given. So remaining we can find easily. So for the line, point R is given. What is the location of point R? Point R.
15 mm.
15 millimeter.
From both HP and VP.
Okay.
So here point R, location of point R is given. So look, these are the given thing. 15 mm from both. I will write simply from both HP and VP. HP and VP means it is from both HP and VP. Means if it is mentioned in suppose word, So how it will be mentioned? Above 15 mm above HP, and what will be
In
15
front
mm
of VP.
in front of VP. So that may be the mentioned. If not, directly it is mentioned point R is 15 mm from both HP and VP. Like this it is mentioned. Okay. Now, while starting the problem, first you have to draw XY line. Are you observing XY line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That XY line first you have to draw. That is called as reference line. And for our information, so towards the right hand side, we have to give a plane and the views. So whatever plane and whatever views we are observing, that views and the planes we have to show. So which plane is there above XY line? Which plane is there above XY line?
VP.
VP.
Vertical.
It is also called as FRP. Which plane is there below XY line?
HP.
Or HRP. Which view we are observing in VP or FRP?
Front view.
Or it is called elevation, and the view which we are observing in top HP is called as top view or plan. So this is required. So are you drawing with me? So let me check.
Sir. Yes, sir.
In solution, first draw XY line and then draw VP HP front view top view likewise. So very slowly I will go so that you can also draw, because yesterday many of the students were telling different answers. Okay. Now, from where to start now problem? Still we have just written given things, and we have shown just a reference line and planes and views, nothing else. So location of point is given R. So from that we can start. Point A, sorry, not A, R we have to locate first. From how much distance I have to take from XY line above HP?
15 millimeter.
15 mm.
15 mm. So here I will take maybe something like this. 15 mm I have to take from this 15. Okay. 15 mm and this side 15 mm. Okay. So this will be which point?
A
So
dash.
Huh?
A dash. Sorry, R dash.
R dash.
R dash, sir. R dash.
Line
R
RS
dash.
is given, so this will be my R dash point, or I will give name a little. So distances also you have to give. Okay. Likewise, I will say this is R dash, and below what notation we are giving?
R. R.
So here, okay. So now this R dash and R, once it is located, distances we have to give immediately. So what should be the distance from this XY line to R dash?
15 mm.
15 millimeter.
Similarly, what should be the distance from R to this?
15.
15. Again, it will be 15, I will say. Okay, so location of R and R dash we have located now. Any problem up to this? Immediately, once we will get the point, what we have to do? What I have told? Very good. We have to draw immediately locus of that point. Locus means what? What we have discussed, the locus means?
Set of points.
Set of point.
Set of point. Once we get point, immediately we have to draw locus. Immediately, likewise, horizontal line. Immediately we have to draw horizontal line, which will indicate locus of that point. And you can give name to this. It is a locus of, suppose, R dash. It is a locus of R. So here you can give name, something like this for this line. So what is this? Locus of R dash. So it is a locus of R dash. Likewise, you can give name. Similarly, which will be the locus below?
Locus of R.
Locus of
R.
R. Locus of R. This locus we have to give first, immediately. So point R I have located 15 mm from both HP and VP, means above HP 15 mm, in front of VP 15 mm. I located the R dash and R in these points, and immediately I have drawn the locus. Now we have to focus up to this. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very simple. So those were very slowly we are going. So true length is known, angle phi is known, alpha is known. Okay. So which angle we have to take first now?
Alpha.
Anything we can take alpha. If suppose we want to take alpha, again suppose we want to take alpha 50 degree, where we have to show alpha angle in above xy line or below xy line?
Above XY line.
Above XY line.
Above xy line. That 50 degree angle we have to show above xy line, but length is not known. So in general we can draw a line. In general we can draw a line of front view. Maybe suppose anything you can draw. Suppose I will anything. So here I have to draw minus sorry 50 degree, no, sorry, so this will be the line of 50 degree. So if I will give measurement to this, so this angle, what should be this angle? Are you observing how much angle is this?
Alpha.
Are you observing angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this angle is 50 degree. Similarly, okay, one more angle is with me. What is that angle? 40 degree. It is called a phi, and its true length also it is with me. Okay, so how much true length? 70 mm. So
70.
again, I will draw a line from now in top view. That phi angle is in top view. So I will draw a line of 70 mm long, and angle should be 40. So it will come something like this. Okay, it will come something like this. Then how much this angle should be? How much this angle?
40.
40. This angle should be 40. This angle should be 40. Okay, are you observing 40 angle? I have taken 40 angle phi. And what should be this length?
70.
70. Okay, so this length should be 70. So which is true length? I will say it as a true length. This is true length. If I will give name to this length, it is true length equal to something. True length equal to 70 mm. So I have drawn true length. I have drawn this. Okay. Now what to do next now?
Locus draw.
Now all the things which are given in the problem, we have all the things, whatever it is given in the problem, we have utilized. High angle we have utilized, alpha we have utilized, true length we have utilized. So what to do now? True length is with us. How we
Locus.
can make it use of true length? Or other question, from true length, how we can find apparent length?
Straight and then curve.
Straight and then curve.
Straight and rotate, I will say. First go straight and then
Rotate.
Rotate.
rotate. Then you can rotate. One more thing here, just I will say. So whatever here I got true length point. So here also you can draw the locus. Here also you can draw a locus for what? Which point will be there here?
Yes, dash.
Yes.
Not S dash, because it is true
Yes,
length.
what-
It is
Only
Yes.
yes, sir. Only yes.
yes. Or I will say not yes also, not yes.
Yes,
also.
one.
Yes one, I will say yes one. I will say for that point yes one, because it is not final top view point. That's why simply I will say it as a S1. Let us say S1 as a point here. Okay, so I will give meanwhile name as a S1, suppose here, or I will take below. Here I will take as a S1, this point as a S1. S1, and here I will write a locus of what? This what I got here? Locus of this which point? Yes.
Yes, one.
Uh,
simply we can say yes. All S1, S dash point, whatever it is there. Yes, all points will be on this. So true length is known. This is known. Now from true length, we want to find
Apparent.
Apparent length.
apparent length. So that procedure we know better. From S1, what I have to do? We have to
Straight
draw
Straight line.
straight
line
line.
curve.
To this have you drawn? इथपर्यंत draw
Yes,
केलेलं
sir.
आहे. Or only
Yes,
your
sir.
observer. Or only your observer.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Draw.
From S1, I will draw a straight line, vertical straight line up to locus R. Up to locus R. Up to this, suppose here. Up to this. For your information, suppose you want to give arrow. Suppose for your information, if you want to know where from where you are drawing somewhere something, so you can give arrow here somewhere like this. You have drawn. Okay. Like this. Then here also suppose you got S1 dash. Here you can give name as a S1 dash, no problem. Here you can give a notation as a S1 dash. So this point simply I will take here and I will give name as a S1 dash. Suppose for my information, anything you can give. Okay, S1 dash, something like this. Then, true length we have taken straight. Now what to do?
Rotate.
Curve, sir.
Then rotate.
Rotate. We have to rotate, means we have to take which point as a center and we have to draw curve.
R
Take
dash.
it
R dash.
R dash we have to take it as a
Center.
Center.
center. R dash we have to take as a center and we have to draw curve by taking R dash F1 dash as a radius. Okay, it means it is simply it is a rotate. So I will check how it is possible. Or here option is not coming. What meanwhile what I will do? I will draw a circle. So you don't be under confusion. Up to this I will draw circle and remaining I will erase. So the remaining I will erase so that you will come to know that just I have drawn this. Are you getting what I have did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is from S1 to this I have drawn curve. So which point I got now? So here
Yes,
I got 1 point. So that point will be this 50-degree angle is alpha. So means this length, this whatever line is there, it will be which line? Front view length line?
Yes, sir.
Front view length line. And on that line, what point I got? Yes, dash.
Yes,
Because
dash.
it is a line of front view line I will say. So here locus, immediately I will draw the locus. Immediately I will draw the locus like this. Okay, immediately I will draw the locus and I will locate that point as a yes dash. I will locate that point as a yes dash. Okay, so this point I will take up to here. Maybe suppose I will give name as a yes dash. So I will erase this yes1. So this will be my yes dash point. I got R dash yes dash, means what will be this length? R dash yes dash
FVL.
FVL.
FVL. It will be my FVL. It will be my FVL. Okay. So I got FVL. Can you measure? Can anybody tell me what is that FVL?
55 mm.
55 millimeter.
65
5.
55.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check now how much it is. So from this to this length, so accurately it is 54. It is coming in software. So 1 mm, okay, no problem. 54, 55 both are correct. So we got one answer. What is
54
that?
येते सर पण ते
हा?
55 घेतले.
हा?
54 येते.
54 येते.
Approximately 55 घेतलं.
no problem. If at all 54 is accurate, 55 is also correct, 53 is also correct. 1 mm we can understand. So accurate is 54. Accurate it is coming as a 54. Okay, so we got FVL. So as I got FVL, I will give it as a 54 mm. I got one answer. So I will give name, or I will highlight this with some other color. Suppose the yellow color, something like this. This was my one answer. FVL I got. Other. So how other things I can get here? FVL I got
Straight line.
Straight line
Straight
from
line
S dash.
from S dash.
Straight line only.
from. If I will go for straight line from S dash, what will happen? Which point I will
Bit
get?
angle.
Yes.
Bit angle मिलता.
Okay, if I will draw a straight line, because R and R dash will be on one point. Similarly, yes and yes dash will be on one point, and I know the locus of yes. So if I will draw a straight line from this, if I will draw a straight line from this, which point I will get here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that point will be yes. So this I will draw directly in the here. If I will draw here, I will get yes point. Okay, so if I will draw R and S point, if I will draw R and S point, that will be my
TVL.
TVL.
TVL. So that will be my TVL, that is top view. So front view and top view. For this line, I got front view and top view. Okay, so if I will highlight this front view and top view, so this is my aim to draw in this problem. So this is my aim in this problem. So if I will give again some, suppose this color, yellow color, something which will be easily understanding. Similarly, so this was my aim. This R and S. Are you observing? Yellow color. This is my projection. So actually, it should be by thick line, and remaining construction should be by faint line. So for that purpose, a little what I have given. So for construction, whatever arrow we have drawn from S dash to S, for your information, that arrow also I will draw here, so that you will come to know that from where we have drawn from this S dash to S, that we got. So what is your top view length? Can you measure top view length?
60.
60 mm.
60 mm. Any other answer? 60. So I will check. Is it 60 or what? So this to this.
Sir, 59 mm.
So accurate answer is
58 also, sir.
57. It is showing 57.
57, sir.
57. So 60, 61. So accurate is 57. So 1 or 2 mm here and there. Okay. 57 is the correct answer. So this one we got. Okay. 57 is one of the answer again. Top view length, front view length we got. Then is it possible to measure the angle? Beta. Beta will be
35.
by top view length with XY. So will you measure the beta and tell what is the angle beta?
Beta.
Huh? Can anybody tell beta by measuring angle? Angle made by top view length with XY line. Can anybody?
50,
Huh?
50 degrees, sir.
50, sir.
50
50.
degrees. Yes, sir.
50. Once again, I will check. So how much it is? So this and this angle between this and this, it is 53. It is exactly, it is coming 53. So accuracy is more, accuracy is required. Still accuracy is required. I will write degree. (53). So here notation is not possible to do. That's why I'm writing 53. What it is remained? Actually, our problem is over here. Huh? Once we have drawn its front view and top view, it is over. But still, if it is asked something, so that purpose we can draw. So theta is asked. Theta, how to draw theta, or how to measure theta?
From
Curve
yes,
and straight.
curve and then straight line.
No, no, no. Theta, what is theta? First tell me what is theta?
Inclination of true length with HP.
Very good. Inclination of true length with.
H.
HP.
So now we want theta means we know true length. आपल्याला true length माहिती आहे का line ची या? Whether true length is known. True length माहित आहे का line ची? Or have you know the true length? True length माहित आहे का सांगा? Whether we are knowing true length?
No, sir.
No?
Yes,
It is
sir.
given in problem
Yes,
statement
sir.
only.
20 mm.
Yes, yes, yes. 70.
70 mm is given in problem statement only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in front view, locus is also known. Locus of S dash. Locus of I will say S dash is also known to us. Locus माहिती आहे, true length माहिती. काय करावं लागेल सांगा बरं आता. We know locus. We know this. इथं आपल्या locus already माहित झालं S dash चा. We know the already locus of S dash. And we know true length. So what to do? True length. Take the in compass.
Take
Take the
70 mm distance.
70 mm डिस्टन्स कंपास मध्ये घ्यायचं. कुठला पॉइंट ऍज अ सेंटर घेणार तुम्ही आणि मार्क करणार.
R dash.
आर डॅश हा सेंटर घ्यायचा. टेक आर डॅश ऍज अ सेंटर. टेक डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू ट्रू लेंथ ऑफ आर एस. टेक डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू ट्रू लेंथ ऑफ आर एस दॅट इज 70 mm. टेक आर डॅश ऍज अ सेंटर. मार्क आर्क ऑन द लोकस ऑफ एस डॅश. काय म्हटलं मी? कोण रिपीट करतोय? ऍक्च्युली थीटा इज नॉट आस्क्ड बट no, it is asked. Find the
Asked.
angle. It is asked.
Yes, विचारले.
Yes, it is
Let's
asked.
start.
कसं काढणार? What is theta? Angle made by true length with HP. We know true length. We know the locus of S dash. So what we can do?
Sir.
हा.
त्याच्यापेक्षा S पासून कर्व स्ट्रेट केल्यानंतर जिथं लोकसवर मीट होतंय ते जॉईन करायचं नंतर
तरी
त्यांचं
चालतंय.
distance मध्ये.
Then
हा
also,
येतंय सर.
you will get one and the same point. तुम्हाला एकच पॉइंट मिळेल. Means what you want to do? From S point you want to
Curve. And then
Curve.
you want to go for curve and then straight. No problem.
Yes, sir.
I will follow your method. That is also correct. I will follow your method. So here I cannot draw directly arc. So what I will draw? I will draw first circle by taking this up to this. Okay. So remaining I will erase. From this to this. Maybe this suppose. मी काय केलं? R पासून one arc I have drawn from yes up to here and then I have to go straight. You want to say like this, no?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Directly straight. From this you want to go for directly straight. So you will go up to here. No problem. This is also correct. This method is also correct, but your construction will increase. A little construction will increase. That's why I was telling some other method up to this. So what should be this distance? So I will give name as a suppose S1 already given.
Yes,
S2
one dash.
S1 dash. S1 dash.
S1 dash.
Yes, sir.
So this maybe something like this. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to join R dash and S1 dash. We have to join this point, these 2 points, and that distance it should come how much? The distance किती यायला पाहिजे?
7.
70.
70 mm.
70 mm.
70. It should come 70. It should come 70 only. So this to this. Sorry. So D. So this to this, it should come 70. Yeah? Yes, it is coming. Are you observing? It is coming 70 only.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And angle now. Check your angle and tell me how much that angle.
35.
35, sir.
35.
35. Okay, 35. I will check. I will tell accurately how much it is. Accurately, how much angle you are observing?
36.
36.
36. No issue. If at all you will get 35, no issue. It is around 36, but accurately it is 36.
36.
Accurately that angle is 36. So this angle is 36. If at all you will get this, no issue. So this one is our one answer. Any problem?
No,
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
So have you got this answer? What can anybody tell what we have did in this? काय काय केलं आपण? Which things were given in this problem?
true length.
True length, phi and
True
alpha.
And
True length, phi and alpha. And what we have calculated?
FVL,
FVL, TVL, theta
Theta
and
and
beta.
Theta and beta. Beta also we have calculated. I will make, or it is not possible. Let it be. Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem? Roll number 36. Some answers are not coming. Roll number 36. No response. 40.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Again, who was saying? Ganesh Lamkani, 47. 47. 48.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So if not, so still I'm not, I feel that everybody is not drawing on the notebook. So it is my humble request once again to draw on the notebook. Unless and until you will not draw, you will not understand. Okay. Only unless and until once you are going to start the drawing on your notebook, drawing book, sketchbook, whatever, then you will start to apply the logic. Otherwise not. That is my humble request. You should start with that. Then only it is possible. Other else it is not possible. Okay. So what I have did, so location of R was given. I have first located point R from both the HP and VP, that is 15 mm from both HP VP. Then I have drawn locus. Then I have utilized the given data. Means I have drawn true angle 40 degree on which I have marked the true length. Okay, then one length was, sorry, angle was not known to me, alpha 50 degree. It was given. So I have marked that. I found locus. Okay. Here true length was given, apparent lengths were not given. So from true length, how to get apparent length we know, rotate straight. So that logic we have applied and we have completed this problem. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can form your own problem. You can form your own problem and you can solve. So one logic I will tell here, one logic. Important logic as far as apparent length and true length is concerned, and apparent length and true angles are concerned. So if you will observe, what should be the logic, which is greater and which is smaller?
True length is always greater
True
than
length greater and
FVL,
apparent is
TVL.
smaller.
Is always smaller. That one is logic. Means true length is always greater. Its
Yes.
apparent length is always smaller or equal to in some cases, but it will not become larger than true length. एक simple logic लक्षात ठेवायचं या problem मध्ये. In all this problem in this chapter, apparent length is always smaller than true length, but opposite is the thing. For what? This thing is opposite for what? Angle.
Angle.
Are you observing? True angles are smaller than apparent angle. इथे लक्षात म्हणजे theta and phi
Yes, sir.
याच एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बघा. थिटा आणि फाय स्मॉल आहेत का अल्फा आणि बीटा पेक्षा?
Yes, sir.
It is smaller than apparent angle. Okay, true angles are smaller than apparent angle and true length is greater than apparent length. एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. Who will repeat this sentence? True length is always greater than apparent length.
Apparent length.
True angles are always smaller than apparent angle.
Apparent angle.
If you know this, you can solve any problem. You can take out of this 7 on your own. You can create the problem and you can solve. Not necessary to take problem from somewhere. You can apply the logic and finally once you will get answer, you can check best solution for this. Okay, shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, is it possible to solve one more? Jala problem astil, you can ask. So those students feeling problem because this subject is drawing subject. This subject itself is a drawing subject. And drawing is a skill. Drawing is a skill. You keep in mind, it is a skill. Like a driving is a skill, something like this. Drawing subject is a skillful subject. You should have a skill. Okay. Who will read now next problem? Somebody has to read. Laute Shivaji 48. Will you read? 48 roll number. Sudarshan Mote 51.
Yes, sir.
Read.
A line AB 75 millimeter long makes 45 inclination with VP, while it is front view makes 55, and A is 10 millimeter above HP and 50 millimeter in front of VP. If line is in first quadrant, draw its projection and find its inclination with HP.
Find its inclination with HP. Thank you very much. Read the problem carefully once again. All and tell me what it is given in the problem. Very carefully we have to read. There are 7 parameters I have already told. So what it is given in the problem. Don't run away from this subject. If you will enjoy this subject with your interest, it is very interesting subject. Don't run away from this subject. Who will tell what it is given in the problem? Line AB 70 mm long means what is this 70 mm?
True length.
True length.
It is as simple as this. It is true length 75 mm. With the reading we will go. Line AB 70 mm long means true length of line AB is given. Makes 45 degree inclination with VP. 45 degree inclination. Is it true inclination or apparent inclination? Or true angle or apparent angle?
True angle.
True angle. With whom it is correct? The true angle answer is correct. With whom it is given? With
VP.
VP.
VP. Means is it theta or phi?
Phi.
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 It is
Phi.
It is phi. Very good. This angle is phi. It is also given. While its front view makes 55 degree. Front view makes 55 degree. Actually here that word should be there, with whom, but it is not given. Are you understanding from this sentence? Its front view makes 55 degree. Means which angle is this? Front view कोणाशी angle करेल हो? HP or VP?
VP.
VP.
Front view कुठं असतो? In VP or in HP? First question.
In VP.
VP.
In VP. Means that lines in making angle in VP. Means this angle is given in VP. मग VP मध्ये angle केलेला कोणाशी असतो?
HP.
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 जे इथे या प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये पुढे काय पाहिजे होतं? इट्स फ्रंट व्ह्यू मेक्स 55 डिग्री विथ कोणाशी पाहिजे होतो? इफ आय विल राईट हिअर
With HP.
with HP.
With HP.
With HP. Likewise word should be there, but it is not mentioned. Still not no problem. Front view makes 55 degree means which is this angle? Theta, alpha, beta. Which is this angle?
Beta. Beta.
Beta. परत कन्फ्युजन. हा अँगल फ्रंट व्ह्यूने
अल्फा
कव्हर केलेला आहे.
बीटा
अल्फा
सर बीटा. बीटा सर.
बीटा
बीटा
अँगल
सर.
एक्स वाय लाईनच्या खाली दाखवतो का वरती दाखवतो आपण?
खालती
एक्स
खाली.
वायच्या बिलो. परंतु हा फ्रंट व्ह्यू मेक्स अँगल म्हणजे फ्रंट व्ह्यू ने अँगल केलेलाच दिलाय डायरेक्ट. फ्रंट व्ह्यू कुठं दिसतो लाईनचा आपल्याला?
वर.
अबो एक्स म्हणजे वरती अल्फा असतो का बीटा असतो मग?
अल्फा
हा
अल्फा.
अल्फा
अल्फा. मग हा 55 डिग्री इज इट अल्फा और इज इट बीटा?
अल्फा.
अल्फा
अल्फा.
It is alpha. This angle is given as a alpha. Again, you should not, here we should not make confusion. So this angle is again 55. So again I am unable to write here a degree. Suppose I will write something, or I will write 55 degree like this. 55 degree. Alpha is a 55 degree. Beta कशामुळे वाटत होतो कोणाला? Those who were saying beta. Why you were feeling it as a beta? हा बीटा का वाटत होता? Let us avoid the confusion. Why it was you were feeling it as a beta? हा बीटा का वाटत होता? Those who were saying, I don't know who were saying beta, but still I was asking. Why it was feeling beta? कशामुळे वाटत होतं हा बीटा अँगल आहे? So that we will avoid confusion. Ha. Am I audible? There is a network issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So location of end point A is given. How it is? Point A is 10 mm above.
above HP
10 mm above HP and sorry.
So directly A dash is equal to 10 and A is equal to 15.
Okay, so I have located both the point A dash and A. So what to do next now? A dash
Alpha
I have located. Locus of A dash I have drawn, locus of A I have drawn. Not what to do now? Who will tell first?
Angle.
Angle. To take this
Alpha.
angle.
Alpha 55 degrees.
Alpha
Yes, sir. From A dash.
from
A dash
I have to
A
draw
dash.
alpha. How much it is given?
55.
55.
Okay, so let us. I will draw here. Sorry. $55, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
55. It will go somewhere like this, huh? So this angle I have to give first. This angle I have to give first. Something like this. How much it is?
55.
55. This angle is 55. Okay. So alpha from A, which angle I have to mark?
5.
5.
45.
45. And whether I am knowing true length?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I know. So from this 70, first I have to draw angle at a 45. Minus. So likewise, I have to draw. So what should be this angle? At what angle I have drawn? 45 pi. Okay, so that I have to give as a 45. This also I have to draw at a 45, and true length also I have to show true length, whatever it is a true length. This true length and this true length. How much it is? How much it is?
75.
75.
Are you observing? True length equal to 75. So whatever data it was given, all this problem, I think, like previous, same, nothing else. What to do now? True length I have drawn, triangle is known. What to do next? Very simple. As like previous, nothing else. Only you have to cross check with yourself.
Locus.
Locus. We have to draw locus. Locus is also, it needs to be drawn from this. Let us say, suppose horizontal line. Again, from this also a horizontal line. Locus. Now I know true length. What to do? I know true length. Then what I have to do?
Straight and rotate.
Straight and rotate. Straight and rotate. Okay. Up to where I have to go straight? Locus of
A dash.
A.
A dash or A?
A dash.
A dash. A dash.
Up to A dash. I have to go straight. Up to A dash. I have to go straight. Okay. This maybe suppose something like this. Then what I have to do? What I have to do?
Rotate.
Rotate, or I will say curve, or I have to say it. I will draw a curve. Okay. So I have to rotate here. So let us, which point I have to take as a center?
A dash.
A
A
dash.
dash.
A dash. And from here, if I will draw the circle, something like this, and then here I will, what I will do, I will erase the remaining thing. So which length I will get here, or which point I will get?
B dash.
A dash, not A dash. Which point I will get?
B dash.
B dash.
B dash.
I will get B dash point here. Okay, I will get B dash directly here. So suppose this, here I will get B dash. Okay, once I will get B dash, what I have to do?
Locus.
Locus. I have to draw a locus of from this point for locus for point B dash. Locus for point B dash. Likewise, I have to draw locus. Okay, so A dash B dash. What I got? A dash to B dash.
FVL.
FVL, front view length. I got front view length. Will you measure and tell? Will you measure and tell?
53.
Any other?
53.
53, sir. Yes, sir. 53.
53.
Yes, sir.
So let us check how much it is. So I will give name it as a
54.
53, 54. Okay. Let us check how much it is. So from A dash to B dash. So this length is 53. How much you were telling?
53, sir.
53.
53.
Please the correct answer. Exactly, it is 53. A dash to B dash. Exactly, it is 53. Okay, so one I got, it is front view length. So immediately I will write here. Whatever I got, 53. 53. Okay. I got 53. So immediately that answer I will write here. That answer whichever I got. Okay. Next. From B dash. From B dash. I want to get
Straight line.
point B. What I can do?
Yes, ma'am.
Straight line.
Directly straight line from B dash to B. That is called a projector line because B dash and B will be on same straight line. It is called as projector. A dash to A, same same straight line. It is called as projector. So shall I draw a line, vertical line from B dash? Which point I will get in top view?
B.
B, sir.
B. Are you understanding? If I will draw a point, straight point from this B dash directly. So here somewhere, I will get which point?
B.
Point B. So for your information, if you want to have a X arrow, I will draw here arrow. Understand from where I have drawn. Likewise, because at the end we should know from B dash which point I will get here. At the end, which point I will get? B.
B, sir.
It is from B. If I will join A to B, what will be that length?
TVL.
It will be
TVL.
TVL.
TVL. If I will join a point this B, B, A to B. Okay. If I will join this point A to B. Now let us tell your answer how much it is.
61.
6.1. 61, sir.
61 millimeter.
61.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let us see how much it is. So if I will measure, so this is this to this point. Exactly. Exactly, it is 61. So those who are drawing, congratulations. 61. It is exactly 61. So TVL is 61 mm. Exactly, it is 61. Okay. Exactly, it is 61. Then now whether our projection of line is over, means have you got front view and top view of line? आपल्याला फ्रंट व्ह्यू आणि टॉप व्ह्यू मिळाला का लाईनचा? व्हॉट इज दिस 53? FVL.
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 VL. Okay, and also we got TVL also.
TVL.
Means whether front view and top view of the line is it over? Is it over? झालाय
Yes,
का?
sir.
Means we drawn projection of line, but आपल्याला विचारलं काय बघा प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये draw its projection and find its inclination with HP. काय विचारलं? Inclination with HP means what it is asked?
Theta.
Theta.
It is asked.
Theta.
Projection complete झालेला आहे, but from this we cannot get theta. त्याच्यावरून
Theta.
theta नाही. Even at this stage, is it possible to calculate beta? या केस
Yes,
मध्ये
sir.
beta
Yes, sir.
will you measure and tell me how much it is beta?
Sixty, sir.
60.
60, sir.
How much?
16.
60.
60.
60.
Exactly 60. Very good. So those who are drawing, I'm happy to listen your answers. Exactly it is 60 degree.
Theta
Hmm.
35.
And theta now. How to draw theta? So I am doubtful whether all students. Kedar Patil 54.
Yes, sir.
Ha. So how to draw now theta? Will you tell? Or how to calculate theta? आपल्याला थिटा राहिलाय बघा 7 पॅरामीटर मधले 6 पॅरामीटर काढलेत आपण बीटा ऑल्सो वी गॉट 60 सो आय विल राईट हिअर 60 बीटा ऑल्सो वी गॉट ऍज अ 60 आय विल राईट सिम्पली डिग्री 60 डिग्री आता सांगा राहिला आहे थिटा हाऊ टू फाइंड थिटा हा कसा काढायचा कोण सांगतंय थिटा एक्सेप्ट दी स्टुडंट हा
सर
ला रोटेट करून करायचं.
बी पासून
Straight line.
रोटेट आणि स्ट्रेट लाईन काढायची
rotate and straight.
काय
रोटेट
करायचं रोटेट अँड स्ट्रेट कुणाला
A,
बी
B.
पासून
B पासून
बी
FBL TVL what we want to rotate
TVL.
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 First rotate TVL up to locus A dash. And then straight, sir. Sorry.
up to A कुठपर्यंत रोटेट अप टू ए डॅश
A.
A, sir.
to A.
Up to A.
to A.
Locus of A.
Locus of A.
up to locus of A we have to rotate and then we have to go
Straight.
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 मेथड काय आहे हो? दुसरी एक मेथड काय आहे सांगा बरं
75 डिस्टन्स
75 mm
घ्यायचं
distance घ्यायचं.
आणि
त्या
तिथून
लोकांवरती
स्ट्रेट अँड
हा
Rotate.
दुसरी सिंपल मेथड काय आहे सांग कोण सांगतंय
75 mm डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं
हा व्हेरी गुड हा
ए डॅश पासून लोकस पर्यंत
ए डॅश पासून एक आर्क काढायचा की जो मीट होईल कोणाला लोकस ऑफ बी डॅश आणि ते जोडायचं
Yes, sir.
सिंपल कुठलं वाटतं तुम्हाला रोटेट अँड स्ट्रेट और टू टेक
Yes,
द
sir.
डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू ट्रू लेंथ अँड मार्क सोपं
Rotate
कुठलं
and
रोटेट अँड स्ट्रेट
Rotate and straight, sir.
यू आर फिलिंग इट इज अ सिंपल
Yes, sir.
येस सर
Okay, so I will again I will draw one more circle. I cannot draw here arc. That's why I am following this procedure. Me मी काय केलं rotate. I have rotated this. Okay, up to locus of A. And then I will go now straight. Then I will go from here straight up to the locus of B dash. Okay, up to the locus of B dash. So up to this. How much is the theta?
35.
35
35 degree.
35.
Yes, sir.
येस सर
Exactly 35.
35, sir.
Very good. 35 is the correct answer. Exactly 35. I will say. So here I will write 35. Exactly it is 35. exactly 35. It was given, I think this. Okay, let it be. Theta. So whether our problem is completed,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
we got remaining parameter. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I have adopted for today's practice. Are you observing this screen? So you feel a little experiment I have gone for. थोडासा वेगळा experiment घेतला आज हा. Instead of drawing freehand, do you feel it is good or freehand is good?
Good, sir.
It is good, sir.
It is good, sir.
Exactly answer we are getting. Exactly. कारण काल बरेच जण म्हटले की वेगवेगळे आन्सर येते. That's why these answers are final. The answer आहे ते final. Correct. 1 degree is also not here and there in this. Actually, I am using one of the software. जे आपल्याला शिकायचं AutoCAD named as AutoCAD. त्याच्यामध्ये 1 degreeचं व्हेरिएशन सुद्धा होत नाही. In point it will give answer. In point I will say. That's why I have adapted. Shall we go with that earlier PPT or this?
This, sir. Continue with this, sir.
This only your attention is required because that initially it feels very blank. सुरुवातीला काहीच नाही असं स्क्रीनवरती वाटतंय, but as like I will go step by step, it may feel a little complicated. येते का लक्षात? जर लक्ष दिलं पहिल्यापासून तर लक्षात येते. Otherwise, at the end you may feel. Okay, shall we stop? Is there if there is no problem?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one more question.
Sir, problem देता का homework?
Okay, if you want similar kind of problem, unless and until all student will not understand, we have to go with this. Will you dare take this? Are you observing on the screen one problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take this problem for homework. We will stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who are not understanding, please go revision. Take the revision, see revision lectures. Then only it is possible to understand. Okay, next lecture we will solve this problem. Whether it will be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will stop.